Metro are here to help. KMBC9's Kelly Gibbs is live in Lenexa with one nonprofit that is preparing aid. Kelly.
Well, Stephen, Heart to Heart preparing this mobile medical unit, and on board will be medical teams, much needed medication, as well as volunteers. They'll be heading in after the storm.
We often find these people have lost their basic, important medications, and they're going to need help.
Heart to Heart International readying supplies and volunteers to help those affected by Hurricane Florence, set to make landfall this week.
So this is our mobile medical unit. It's a 45-foot truck.
The unit will be stationed in the aftermath of the storm, with medical teams and medications often needed in disaster zones.
If your home has been hit by whether it's a tornado, a hurricane, or other type of natural disaster, chances are you may not either be able to get to your personal belongings or you're not going to have what you need with you at the time.
The Red Cross hoping to bridge those gaps. Right now, Red Cross teams are making their way to the storm site to provide food and shelter.
In addition to that, we will have reunification teams on the ground who will be utilizing the information in our Safe and Well website. And then they will take that information and work with local authorities and with our other partners to help make sure that families are able to reconnect.
Now, that mobile medical unit from Heart to Heart leaving Lenexa tomorrow, staging in Tennessee to wait out the storm, and then they're going to be moving in to administer aid. Reporting live in Lenexa, Kelly Gibbs, KMBC 9 News.
Leaders at the nonprofit say they will stay in the affected areas as long as needed.
Workers from KCP&L and Westar are also on the way to the hurricane zone. More than 200 linemen left Tuesday morning. They'll be helping Duke Energy respond to outages caused by the storm once it hits.